Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the benefits of eating avocados. Avocados contain monosaturated fats, which are good for heart health and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Their high fiber content aids in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating. Additionally, avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein, which is good for eye health. They also provide a variety of vitamins and minerals essential for overall health, including folate, vitamin E, potassium, and vitamin K. The regular consumption of avocados has been associated with reduced inflammation and improved skin health. So, we will be making a healthy recipe using avocados, chopped tomatoes, some onion, and my personal favorite, green chilies. You can add on some coriander leaves. To add on some flavor, you can use salt as seasoning. You can add on some lemon juice as well. Now, I leave you with the benefits of eating avocados. See you in the next video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe my channel. Eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.